young people at first world. If I want to know nothing to do. Wash your sneakers and stop wearing dirty. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Wherever in the world you're listening me from, greetings. So this is the first time I am washing outside for all the years we live in America. First time. So how many persons do this? Wash them sneakers outside with brush in a pan and water. How many? In a first world country. How many? How many of us? Sometimes I see some people that wear some sneakers and Jesus have mercy. Me not think them know so they can wash. Me not think them know that the sneakers can wash. Back in the days when we did, this had something can't even come out. When we in Jamaica, every Saturday morning, today is a Saturday. Every Saturday morning we get up and we wash with our pan. Yeah, man. So this is how we do it. All who not aware that the sneakers can wash, if you don't want to put it in a machine, I mean enough sneakers are going in a machine. Yeah, you just put it in a pan. Summertime, them lace have to come out. This is a kind of lazy washing. My mother would have said this is a lazy washing, but at least them a wash. Lazy washing, see there? I don't know if you use brush, so they can't use brush. Young people don't know if they do nothing. Lazy washing. But it's a wash. This is a very good, I love the sneakers. And it's dirty. And I say, not a back kind. No, I cannot have it like that. See there? Brand new. Brand new, my mother, that's a brand new second. See there? This is how it is before. And I said, no, because I was not going that way. I was not going that way. You wash your sneakers. You wash your school bag. You wash your hair. Bathe yourself properly. I don't know them the people that. When you look on them, how they dirty and nasty. When you look on the sneakers on their foot, you can't believe. This is not nothing compared to some of me say. This is not nothing compared to some. Sneakers can wash. Sneakers can wash. See it there? This is the second pair me dey on. Now wash your bottom do. And then what you think we do? We put it out. Find some step, some stone, and you put it out. And make it dry. Wash the sneakers. You come here and you fall in. I say, no, I cannot continue. Even though it's exercise, I exercise in the sneakers. I use it for my exercise sneakers. But no, sir. And you only do it because you know, say, nobody now look on you and criticize you. When you're there in Jamaica, everybody will look on you and say, your sneakers dirty. The sneakers is dirty. Everybody is going to look at you and say that your sneakers is dirty. Yeah, man, turn up nose. We know wear dirty things. But we come here and we fall in follow fashion monkey. Yeah, man. Sneakers for wash, can wash. I don't know if you don't know, but see me I show you know. Me I show all who don't know say it can wash with your hand. You don't have to carry it on a laundromat. Sit down with your pan and your soap and your scrub. You sit down with your pan and your soap. Exercise you get to in the meantime. And it's a therapy too. Because take off your mind after everything. So it do everything. Yeah, man. Do everything. Therapy. So you use it as exercise the upper body. And then you use it as therapy. Take off your mind after some things. If it's even for half an hour. Yes. So me now, in America, run a backyard with pan and soap and sneakers. I can't make winter come catch them with my good nice sneakers. And this sneakers is so comfortable. So I'm not gonna make winter come catch it. Catch my sneakers dirty like me and Mad Smaddy. People are wearing some sneakers. First to commence them big off of their foot. Because them wearing 7 and them by 9. I don't know for what reason. But it look like a some style. Because everybody under big boot you know. I don't know. So, yes. You grab your pan and your soap. And all these places, you turn it over. And if the lace wasn't in there, you'd get a better handle. But I'm not taking out the lace. As me say, mother would say it's lazy washing. Lazy washing. And you use your brush. And you scrub. Same thing with the white clothes, them. Me see some white clothes and God Almighty. Me don't know if that's a bit grey, white, cream. It's the same thing. You see me? It's the same thing with the white clothes. I don't know if that was grey, white, cream, yellow. Because I say, then I know so they can put them in a pan. Everything up on the internet, buy some blue soap, cake soap. Soak them out. And scrub them. See that? Brand new second hand. And then dry me show now. See that? Brand new. This, I never saw it look before it wash. Them they look like they want to throw it. Okay. So one next one, eh? It's not so bad, but the lace is not clean at all. See there? This is not so bad. But it's dirty too. So I'm going to buy it and I wear it. See there? Dirty. See there? Brand new second hand when me done with it. Brand new second hand, my love. Brand new second hand. Then can wash. You don't have to wear them so. Find little time in the summer. And say today I'm going to be 90 something. Say alright then. Perfect time to wash. And put out one column. A good thing say then I'm going to teeth them. Hey! Alrighty! Did you have some place if you put them out and watch them because they will come take them away. Understand, as wet as they is, you know how much clothes they use to thief off a line at Jamaica. Imagine there's something there again. Because so much cheap clothes they would have really gone bad for really till a thief clothes off a line. They used to thief clothes off a line, my love. You couldn't wash your clothes and put it up for dry. And them not thief it off. Yeah, man. insole them now. You wash out the insole. Yes. Usually what you do with the insole, but this brush cannot get down in there. So usually what you do, you would take out the insole, but this one cannot come out. I don't know for what reason. This is not coming out. So that is it. But me know say it far way better than what it was. I'm going to feel a lot better wearing them. No, I'm not wearing any dirty sneakers, cause I know some go. My mother don't grow me that way, my love. My mother don't grow me that way. You get up. When you go to school, every Saturday, you get up. When you're young, you wash your ribbon. Funny boy, picnic never used to do not much though, you know. I mean, I know why they never teach them boy picnic to do things. That's why somebody is lazy and nasty. Because first time Jamaican, they not train them boy picnic to do not a goddamn thing. But me I tell you say, me have to thank them because me can do things to myself. Me don't need nobody. You know, this is a place where you can hardly get no smell if you wash, if you clean, if you do nothing for you. And if me never learn, I don't know what would happen to my house. Rat. Drunker would have drawn me out. Yes, man. Drunker would have drawn me out. So something like that. Oh yeah, see there. Got the lace. But see it there? A brand new second hand. And I do not take out the lace. So you not really have to take out the lace. You wash it with the same way, but see it there? I enjoy my little washing. Yes man, see there? Clean as a whistle. Clean as a whistle. Jamaican people, that's a brand new second hand. They can carry it, go put out and sell. As cheap. See there? Learn people. So now we catch some fresh water, clean water, throw away that soapy one, and we have some clean water. And now is the time we're going to rinse. So we're rinsing these. See there? It's not soap, we can give it 2 rinse. Alright? This is the first rinse. Let's see. This is the first rinse. I forget that I take note that insole. So I'm gonna wash these too. And some socks and exercise in. And then you go back now and you will touch your water, alright? So I have one pipe, some about there. Let me discover. Real Jamaican style I want to feel today. I'm not putting anything in any I want to get back that Jamaican feel. So I'm not putting anything in any machine and dryer. When the shoes come out, it shrink up, make it even wear. Now we wash them and put them out in the sun. Look how the shoes them look. Brand new sneakers. Anywhere you go with your culture. Your culture not left you, know. Anywhere in the world you go with your culture. So these are the second rinse now. And then this is it. The sun is going to deal with it and it's going to dry. Yeah. Because some of them insole them, I don't know, them can't come out. So I'm just wash them in it. I'm not cheesy foot. I don't have a problem. Yes, man. Real Jam. All who think you can't carry country from America, see there? Jamaica style, not a real country neither. Anyway, in Jamaica you're there, you wash your boots same way. Kingston or nowhere. You have your washing outside. At the same, so the other day I buy one line and wash my towel, kitchen towel them. Yes. I'm gonna put my kitchen towel them in a no machine. Me not putting my kitchen towels into no machine at all when I wash my clothes and me this and that in a no sir. So me wash them one, hang them up in the some about in the kitchen there. And I said no, buy one line and put it out and wash them. Yes. I don't know, people do it and feel comfortable. Me don't want me. You know what? Yes, I don't want my kitchen towel in any machine. I don't know. That's not my style. So when I finish now, I'm gonna go to the back, to the front of the house and spread out my laundry. Oh, the socks them can't put the socks them out there at all. Yes, people. So see, the water's still clean. The water, no? The water's still clean. Eh? So I'm going to throw away this water now. Just throw it in the yard. Just throw it out. Eh? We just that's the city. That we do a JA. Young people at first world. If I want to know nothing to do. Washing the sneakers and stop wearing dirty. Okay. So there it is. All 3 pairs. Wash and out in the sun. 91 degrees sun. If it's not dry today, then back out here tomorrow. This is it. If it's not dry today, it's gonna be back out here tomorrow. Alright? Learn people in a first world country. Wanna learn for washing the sneakers. Me teach you this morning. Me no want to see nobody else with no dirty sneakers after you watch this video. There must be no one else wearing any dirty sneakers after watching this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.